Deep within the temperate rainforests of the Kanto region, the air hums with unseen energy. This is not just the sound of insects, it is the static charge of the forest's most famous resident, the Pikachu. Often mistaken for a common mouse, this creature is a biological marvel, a living battery capable of generating voltage that rivals a lightning strike. It begins its day foraging, but unlike other rodents, it does not rely solely on stealth. Its cheek pouches are not for storing food, but for storing power. These red sacs are densely packed with electrolytes. When threatened or when communicating, they discharge sparks. It is a dangerous beauty, a warning signal to the world: do not touch. Pressure drops, clouds gather. For most animals, a thunderstorm is a time to hide. For the Pikachu, it is a time to thrive. They gather in groups, their tails raised like lightning rods, sensing the atmospheric charge. It is a communal recharging ritual, a dance of static and fur. But the storm masks the sound of a silent killer, an Arbok, a massive, venomous serpent that hunts by heat signature. It slithers through the wet ferns, eyes locked on the warm, pulsing body of the Pikachu. The snake strikes fast, but the rodent is faster. This is a battle of speed versus venom. Cornered against a rock, the Pikachu has one option left. It is not a bite, it is not a scratch. It grounds its tail, muscles tense, and releases its stored energy in a single, blinding flash. Thunderbolt. The air ionizes. The predator is repelled not by force, but by pure shock. The Arbok retreats, stunned. The little warrior survives. As it grows, its fur will darken, its tail will lengthen. Some will evolve into the larger, more aggressive Raichu. But for now, under the breaking clouds, the Pikachu reigns supreme. Small, cute, but undeniably powerful. The spark of the forest.